Okay, cool. Cool. See if everything is working fine. There we go. All right. Let me just turn this down a little bit. Just like that. Cool. Welcome to the live stream, everybody. This should work. I'm just quickly checking out the live stream on my phone. If it could load. Yes, there we go. Hey Quantum, welcome to the live stream. If I'm gonna cover Palantir, yeah, sure. I will cover it live. So right now, just give me some time. We're gonna have to wait until people are in the live stream. So right now, looking at Tesla. Where are we sitting at right now? 417, right? We're bottoming right now. We're about to be bottoming. Look at that move. 452 all the way down to 416. That is, that's like 8%, right? It's like 8% move, or I mean 7% move. It's significant. This should not be happening, but it's happening. So we have to accept it. We have a strong support right here at the 415. So let's see if it's going to breach the 415. I don't think it's going to breach the 415. I think it's going to go from the 417 to the 416 and then bounce. Yo, what's up, Stini? What's up, Girano? And Dare Scarf. Welcome to the live stream. What's up, Ryan? I'm going to check if I've shared the link properly on my Discord. Cool. Watch me live. That should be good. Okay, last time I will share this. I'm going to check the S&P 500. See what's happening with the markets right now. Oh, we're trading sideways. It's a kangaroo market again. It's looking like we're gonna go down though, even though we're going sideways right now. I don't think this is gonna keep on going sideways. I'm gonna grab a pillow. 1 second. So that's gonna be comfortable for my back. All right, so yeah, it looks like we're about to go bearish on the stock market. You guys want to know what's going to happen with Palantir? Yeah, give me 1 second. We have to know what's going to happen with the stock market, else we can't really do anything. We need to know where the market is heading. So far, it's looking like we're about to go down a bit on the 30 minutes. But on the 1 hour, we're bullish, so we should be going up. See what the 4 hour is telling us. 4 hours is telling us we're going bearish, so we're probably going to go sideways and bearish again. Something like that, honestly. Or something like this. Go up and down, and then up again. So we're gonna have some. I guess today could be a bit neutral. Tomorrow could be positive, and then we're gonna go bearish again. No, hold on. Today is gonna be bearish. Tomorrow is gonna be positive, and then after tomorrow as well. And then we'll have another correction. Friday and Monday and Tuesday probably. I'm checking the live chat right now. What do you think about Palantir? Palantir, Palantir. Okay. Cool. Palantir. I'll do the analysis, no problem. What did we say would happen? Oh, Palantir's going down, not up. Interesting. It broke through the pattern. That's very negative. Okay, let me delete this. I will move this. So I would say that this is not the end of it, right? We're still going to be going up. We'll have to see what the 1 hour is doing. Yeah, that looks really negative though. That looks really negative. Just like that. Something like that. I mean, the same thing that we saw right there. And then if we move this. Yeah, something similar to this. And then we could potentially have another blow off top. This could keep going until earnings though. Because that's like, if we take a look at the MACD for Palantir. That would mean we're going to go down just like that. And then go up until earnings and come back down again. So it wouldn't be too strange, honestly. This would mean we would complete, honestly, go down a bit and then go up. So bearish cycle completes, goes bullish cycle, goes bullish until earnings, and it comes down. Yeah, this could be it. This could very well be it. So yeah, this something similar to the pattern that we just drew for Palantir. I would say we would come back down to about $14, bounce off, get to 16, go sideways, come back down after earnings, and then we'll have a correction, something like that. Obviously, if the markets were bullish, we would see a different pattern. Right, that would make sense. So let's just delete this now. So I could see $16 to $17 potentially before earnings. But we do have to keep in mind that there's also a possibility that we'll just go bearish all the way if markets are bearish. And we just concluded that we would see some bearishness, but we would see some positive stuff happening with the market tomorrow and after tomorrow. So I don't think it's going to be bearish. I think it's going to be rather bullish. So we should be fine. And then come back down. Is there an Apple event today? Oh, Tesla. Okay, look. Let me take a look at Tesla. What's it doing? 417. Yeah, I bought some Tesla at 410 and 411 today, so that was a bargain. It looks like it looks pretty bad. Yeah, we're having a little bit of bearishness, but it's gonna subside very soon. It's not gonna last at all. It's not going to be like what we saw right there, where we just went bearish all the time. I think we corrected. I think we corrected enough, right? This should be fine. All right, so we're gonna be heading towards the NEO. This is a NEO stock. I am not gonna short NEO anymore. I've decided to not short NEO. So this means NEO is gonna crash. No kidding. No, I'm not gonna short NEO anymore. I'm gonna stay away from shorting this one. It's not that I got burned. I mean, I made profits, but I think I'm gonna wait until this stock reaches its the top, which could be next week, and we should sit around the $50 to $52, and then I'm gonna go heavy on the short. So, wait, what's happening with Apple? People saying that Apple's gonna release their first chip. What do you mean by that? Let's just pretend we never drew that. There we go. We didn't bounce. We actually kept on going to the 115. Very strange movement happening. I would think Apple is it's either gonna bounce now or it's gonna move sideways. So this could be a bounce, or we're most likely gonna go sideways. I don't think it's gonna go lower. At least not for the coming days. We should be fine for the coming days until Friday. So, looking like a buying opportunity, really. Could potentially come back to the 119 to 120. I mean, why the hell not? We do see a clear pattern. I'm going to use a proper line. Hold on. So it looks like it doesn't want to go above this trend line or regression line, how you want to call it, you know. So it seems like we're going to go to 119 and then bounce from that level, then trend lower, and then probably bounce upwards. So this could be very well what's going to happen. Like we said, there's going to be some negativity coming in the markets, so Apple's going to come back down to $110, possibly, and then we're going to bounce from that level to, I think, the all-time high. Not right away, it's going to take some time, just like that, and then it will definitely reach that level. But yeah, for now, I think we're in this wedge pattern, stuck in this wedge pattern, just like that. The bottom could be around $111 to $112. So for Apple. I'm checking your chats. Oh, they have their one more thing event. That's cool. I didn't. Oh, I saw it. I saw a picture of that. I just didn't know if that was going to be today or not. Excuse me. If Tesla is changing it all, is Tesla still going down? No freaking way. It's going up, right? Yeah, Tesla's sitting at 419 right now. I think we can only check this at the market watch because my trading app is just really bugged. It doesn't show me the current price in the pre-market, which is really stupid, really. Maybe we can find it here. Tesla pre-market. No, nothing. Future. Nope, nothing. So sad. But anyway, we're going to see right here. We're sitting at 420. Looks like we're recovering, like we said, for Tesla. Guess we were right. We bottomed out around the 417. Obviously, we had the real bottom right at 411. But in my analysis, we were at 417. I said, hey, this is the bottom. We're going to go up. Looks like we're going up now. Let's see if it's going to hold the 420. For some reason, this stock really likes 420 because it just keeps going back to 420. It's kind of comical. Checking the live chat. I'm looking at your stuff, your thingies. Amazon. Amazon, here we come. Yeah, this is pretty much what sums it up. I already did the analysis, so we're gonna bottom out very soon. So far we've been predicting Amazon quite nicely. We predicted that it would go down from 3,200 all the way down to 3,040, and now it's sitting at 3,080, so that was a nice prediction. Wait, is Palantir up again? No freaking way. I'm shorting Palantir. GG, well played. No, there goes my short. Sad. Now I have to double down. Dang it. No, I'm kidding. I'm probably gonna close my short on Palantir. Maybe get back in at earnings. But for now, I'm not gonna short it. Obviously, Palantir is a great buy. I have some stock, but I want to short it short term. For like a couple days and then get out. Get out. Xpeng. Well, I want to look at Workhorse first. I already did an analysis on this, so yeah, I said we would potentially bottom and then go up. Looks like we're not going to bottom. We're just going to keep going upwards, which is fine by me too. You know. Why did we say it would go bottom? Oh, yeah, okay, so, yeah, this could still happen, actually. Just move it right there. And then we bottom at the $18. So far, Workhorse is up. But if we take a look at the real-time numbers, yeah, it's also up here. Yeah, Workhorse is looking bullish. I think it's a very strong buy. Even at this price, I think this is going to keep going upwards. I've been saying this ever since we were at the $16. Right now it's sitting at $19, which is about 20% increase. Predicted 20% increase in about a week time, so that's not bad. Not bad at all. Twitter. See if we can do something with this one. Yeah, I said it would go bullish. So far it's going bullish. Remember, I said this like at the 2nd of November. Look how it went. I didn't change anything. You're watching this live. This was already there. The 2nd of November, I drew this. And we were quite right about that one. Although I would say it's going to correct now. But we'll see, you know. Twitter is still looking bullish. I think... yeah, it's because of this crash coming down. It's because the elections are over. Now we're trying to correct. If you take a look at the 1 day. Yeah, Twitter's looking hella bullish. I would not sell Twitter right now. Alright, so which stocks do we want to see? Xpeng. I think I already did a prediction for this, right? I said it would go bearish. But are we going bearish? I guess we are going bearish. Oh, we're moving sideways. Interesting. Oh, this line is odd. Just reject that one. Hey, why are we going sideways? The frick? Yeah, this is about to come down. I would stay away from this stock right now. This is I mean, yeah, this is about to like come down massively. Bro. Yep, I would stay away from this stock. I would buy this stock after earnings. Or after a crash before earnings. This is not looking good for XPeng. Joseph Campbell says, what are some good stocks that are low but will go up soon? Tesla, AMD, Tesla, Apple. Oh, Apple just went up, I think. AMD, Tesla, Apple, Workhorse, Ride. I'm going to check Ride. Lordstown Motors. Are they going up right now? They're going up slightly, but they're about to go up massively. You can see this on the 1 day. I should really get some Ride. Honestly, if I can buy some Ride right now. Markets are going to open in 15 minutes, by the way. Oh, Tesla's going up significantly. Wow. Surprise, surprise. It's not like we predicted this. It's not like I just made a video 2 hours ago saying that we would go up. It's okay. We all make mistakes. To the people that got into Tesla with a cheap price, my hat goes off to you. That's a nice play. We're going up right now. So far so good. It seems like Tesla's going to rally to the upside. But I could be wrong. It could open negative, but we just had a correction for Tesla from $452 to $410. That's about 10%. I would say we had a nice correction, and we're about to be rallying. So it's a healthy correction to have after going up so significantly from the 380 to 450. This was a move we predicted. I said, hey guys, we're about to go up $70 to $100 back when we were sitting there. I called a buying opportunity, but nobody listened. I bought about $2,000 worth of Tesla shares, which is like 5 shares, right? And I sold it at 420. I think I had 10% profit, or 10% profit. That was pretty nice. It was 10% times 5 because I had leverage. So, yeah. I'm sorry. And I think what's going to be next for Tesla is another, most probably, 10% increase in price. You think by the end of the year Tesla hits 500? Well, if my projection is right, let me check. If my projection is right, hold on. We could hit Tesla by we could hit the $500 most likely. I think either a week from now or 2 weeks from now. As we get closer to the end of November, we're going to get closer to the $500. I don't think it's going to be at the end of the year. It's going to be at the end of this month. So I'm looking at this to go up just like that, parabolically. There's going to be some news coming out very soon, most likely, that will trigger the rally to the upside. There's about 12 minutes left until the market opens, so I want to briefly look at what the S&P 500 is doing, and I'm going to go to your stocks in just a second. We have to know what the S&P is doing, right? We can't just not know what it's doing. On the 30 minutes, looks like it's about to come down a little bit. 1 hour, it's about to go up, so it's going to go up now. Probably back up a percentage point. Then it's going to correct. So potentially tomorrow is going to be positive. After tomorrow is going to be positive as well. And then we'll see a correction all the way back to 3,500 to about 3,470. And then we'll go to the upside. AMD analysis. AMD analysis coming up, guys. I'm gonna check how many subscribers we have now because we're almost at 6,000. So, 6,000, yeah. Oh wow, we need like 10 subscribers to reach 6,000 subscribers. So if 10 people in this live stream decide to just be awesome, then make sure you hit the subscribe button. It takes 2 seconds, and we'll be at 6,000 subscribers. Pretty cool. Yeah, AMD. I thought I said it would go down, right? Yeah. I remember making a video about it. I said that because of I don't know what the reason was. Anyway, the technicals are telling me it's going to go bearish. It's probably going to hit the $81, pump back up to the 82, and then come back down to the 80, and then we boost to the upside massively. Like, I'm telling you, this is going to be possibly to $90 and then come back down and go upwards to the hundreds. Something like that. Because it does look like, if I look at the daily, let me just scroll. We're getting some positivity on the daily, right? And what's most likely going to happen is this. Something like that before earnings. So a rally towards earnings. And if I am correct, this could go parabolic until earnings. But it's going to depend on the stock market, right? This would be seen if the stock market is bullish. Okay. Checking the live chat again. What do you think about NEO? Yeah, I think it's going to go to like $50 to maximum 55, and then it's going to crash down. Is Tesla down again? Oh my gosh, are you kidding? Jesus. Tesla going down. Wait, we went up to $424, right? Let me check Tesla. Check me some Tesla. Sitting at 421.9, saying that here. Workhorse is doing nothing. That's what I'm saying, guys. If the markets are going down, it will take all the stocks with it. So, no, we're not going down with Tesla. Tesla's doing fine. Tesla is doing fine. 8 minutes until market open, guys. I'm so excited. This is going to be interesting. Netflix. Yeah, Netflix is also an interesting one. Wait, I'm just going to have to send this real quick. Markets open in 8 minutes. Oh, by the way, guys, if you would like to join the Discord, there's a Discord link for the server down below in the description. Check it out. You'll be able to join the Discord that way. Okay, so 30 minutes. Tesla's still, it looks like it's going up, but it's actually going down a little bit. But it's still rallying. I think it still will be going up. I think I'm going to take a look at Netflix. It's been stomped down because of the vaccine coming out. Yeah, I said it was bearish, right? Sitting at $472. Yeah, that makes sense. I think we're going to start bottoming soon, just like we did right there. And we're going to be heading upwards again. So that is that for Netflix. I already analyzed that one, so. My live chat. Okay, there we go. Which stock should I analyze? Alibaba. Cool. Alibaba. I'm going to do this one, and then we're going to be taking a look at Tesla and NEO until market open, and I'm pretty interested in those at the moment. I said we go bullish. We did go bullish, so that's cool. It's just, yeah, this Just did it way too fast. Well, hold on. Can I just go back? No. Anyway, Alibaba is looking at bottoming out, right? I think this could be the case. Unless I can see something different here. Yeah, let's just not do it this steep. This could potentially do something like that. And then go up. That's what I'm seeing for Alibaba right now. Until the end of the year. Alright, I'm going to be going to Tesla and NIO because I think these stocks are awesome. And just want to cover those until market open. And after market open, I'll be covering other stocks. So can we just zoom in properly? There we go. I'll have to look at the 15 minutes, I believe. Yes, this could be perfect. Yeah, something like that. Something like this would happen. In terms of RSI, if you can open this. Yeah, okay, so it's looking fine. I'll have to grab the brush and there we go. This is we're looking at Tesla stock right now, guys. So I already did Ride. I think Ride is going to be bullish for the coming month or two, potentially double. I have to say this every live stream, but make sure you follow me on the social media. I'll give you a shout out if you follow me on Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter. And on top of this, make sure you join the server where we talk about finance, investing, and trading. The Discord link is in the description. And if you want to support the Patreon, there is a link to the Patreon where you can get many benefits. So you can check that out. All the links are in the description. All right, so Tesla is looking like a great buying opportunity, I would say. I think if it goes to 440 or 450, I would stop buying it. Like anything below 440 would be nice. But 440 is just a little bit expensive for now. So if you can get in right now, that would be a great buy. Man, I have this watch on my wrist and it's really like starting to hurt. It's the Galaxy watch. It's pretty cool. But it's heavy, so my watch is like suffering and suffocating. My wrist. Wait, Tesla's going down? Apple, yeah, I know Apple has an event today, I know. But I don't think it's a very, very significant event. It's not as significant as the Apple event that we saw before with the iPhone. That one was huge. Apple is probably going to rally towards that event that we have today, I think. Or I think it already rallied. Now it's correcting. So it's correcting today. So if you want to get some Apple shares, today Apple is going to be a little bit cheaper than normal. Tesla sitting at 420.65 right now in the pre-market. That's great. Not too bad. We recovered about 2%. I would say that's not too bad. I'm going to have to share one more link and then we're done. Two more minutes until market open. There we go. Everybody's going to be in the live stream. That'll be fantastic. I have a feeling that we just reached 6,000 subscribers. No freaking way. I have not looked at it yet. Gonna look at it right now. Oh boy. Oh, what the hell? We're not at 6,000 subscribers yet? I'm gonna cry now. We need 5 subscribers. 5. We need 5 people to be awesome and just hit that subscribe button, and we're at 6,000 subscribers. Or I didn't refresh. I don't know. I don't know what's happening. Maybe my phone is not refreshing. I mean, could also be the case. But make sure you smash that subscribe button if you want to have the most gains. That's so stupid. Okay, so we need like 2 more people. 3 people just subscribed. Damn, that's going super fast. Guess that happens when you smash this subscribe button. We're right now sitting at the 420. And it looks like it's not budging. People want to see Palantir. Zoom. I'm going to be looking at all your stock requests after market open. Market is going to be opening in 1 minute. So post in the comments below. Post in the live chat. Tell me which stocks would you want me to analyze right now. Which stocks are your favorite stocks. And I'll be reviewing them very soon. Soon. Market open. I think markets are open. Like, okay, well, oh, we're dropping. Tesla's dropping a huge 418. Big sell-off so far. Are we going to keep dropping? That's the question. It does look like we're going to keep dropping, guys. Does definitely look like it's going to happen. Oh boy. Oh boy. People are going to start selling off now. Nothing happening. We're sitting at the 418. Nothing really happening. Sitting at 417. Still going down. 417.5. 417. We're going to go to the 416 now. Okay, 416.7. So we had a huge correction. Now we're still keeping the correction up. We're going to 416. We're going to the strong support. We're very close to it. Lots of bearish momentum right now. 415.8. Hold on, I'm going to buy some more Tesla. Wait, did it just jump at... I just bought some more Tesla. There we go. Bought some more Tesla right around there. See if this bearishness is going to keep continuing. It does look like it will, but we never know. This could suddenly switch very positive. We have had a, I guess, $35 to $36 correction in 1 day time. So that is pretty significant. It's like we deleted the gains of the past weeks. Or, okay, past days, right? Past week. Seems like it's not over yet. A market is tanking. Is the market tanking? I have to look. 1 second. Markets are not tanking. Tesla's tanking. Tesla's the only thing tanking right now. Or is Nasdaq tanking? No, Nasdaq is not tanking either. Tesla is tanking. So we're tanking to 415. If it breaches this, that's a bad sign. It breached it. 413.8. Very bad sign. We're going to go to $410 potentially now. Hold on, guys. For 414.8, 414.6. So this would be a great time to get into Tesla stock. It's oversold on the 5 minutes, on the 30 minutes. It's pretty much oversold all across the board. So this is probably because of the news that came out that there would be reimbursements because of a memory device being deficient. So much bad news coming out. It's just so incredible, giving us the amazing buying opportunities for the stock. So I would not be scared. I would be brave. Be greedy when others are fearful. This is definitely some people are really fearful right now. Look at that. It's similar to what we saw right there, right? This was about... Now it's even bigger than that, actually. Yeah, about the same. $40 downside for the stock. Sitting at 416. I think we're going to create a bottom, and then we're going to gradually go up. We'll have to wait, see what the 30 minutes is doing for Tesla stock. Yeah, we're starting to bottom. I would say this would be a great time to get in. Getting close to a bottom on the 4 hours. And obviously the daily is looking super bullish. So I would not worry. I'm not going to worry too much about this. We're at 415. See if this continues. 414 again. That's so much capital leaving the company. 414, we're going to go to 413. See, this little cycle right there, 413.5, this has to finish. Right? It has to go bearish, and then after that, we're probably going to see a reversal. 412.7. I'm going to check my own stock, see what's happening. Not bad. Nothing really bad happening right now. We can survive this until quite some time. For $12, looking like a buying opportunity. I mean, look at that. Look at that MACD. When was the last time we had a MACD like that? It was in October, right? It was 380. Yeah, okay, cool. Are we done? Are we done with this correction? How much are we down right now? Like 4% or something? I don't know. 2%? 411. 411. Hold on. I'm going to be depositing some funds. Just give me 1 second, guys. 410, I'm going to get so much more Tesla. If this actually starts working. $410.8. I got a lot more Tesla, guys. All right. Cool. This should be fine. 409. There we go. Be depositing a little bit more now. $409.7. Fantastic buying opportunities. The bearishness is about to end, I would say. This is going to get close to the 408, which is a very strong support for Tesla. We'll see what happens. Whew, that was a little bit of a stressful moment, but we should be fine now. Okay, now we're just going to wait until this gaps up. Checking the live stream. I don't think we're going to go to 380. I highly doubt it. 409, 408. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, so strong support coming up again. Damn, we're down like what? $40, I think? $42, $44. Everything is coming down. Whole market is coming down. I'm buying more at 408. I'm going to go all in on Tesla for this one. We are still correcting. I think the markets are coming down, aren't they? Yeah, Nasdaq is coming down now. I'm going to have to open the door. Give me one moment. All right, I'm back. We're still sitting at the 408. Bearishness is about to finish. Very close. We're oversold. Oversold on the 5 minutes. We're oversold on the 30 minutes, which is a nice sign that we should be able to buy right now. Are we oversold on the 1 hour? We're oversold on the 1 hour. We are 4 hours. Let's check the 4 hours. We're not oversold on the 4 hours. There's a little bit more bearishness left. This could potentially go down to 406, 405. So that's still possible. So if you want to get in, out dollar cost average, obviously. But this could go back up very quickly. Like insanely quickly. Yeah, we're starting to go up as I'm saying this. 410 coming up now. Yeah, I got some really nice buying opportunities. So, that's quite nice. I'm gonna put on my watch. 410.5. This is going to go back to 420. I think this is going to go back all the way to 421, and then after that we're going to go to 427 and to the 438. But we'll see what happens, right? Anything can happen. Markets are looking a little bit bearish. Checking the YouTube. Yeah, Palantir went down. I was shorting Palantir, so I was losing like a lot of money, and now suddenly I'm making money on on shorting Palantir. So I sold my short position because I'm not gonna hold that forever. Not gonna do that. So yeah, I think I highly doubt that this is gonna go down further. I highly doubt this. Look at that down move. Like, what the hell? 452 all the way down to 408. That is $44 in 1 day to the downside. That is insane. It's a good buying opportunity. I think we're compensating for this huge behemoth of a move. I think the institutions that bought in sold at this level. That's why it's looking so similar to that in terms of the size. Yeah, all my positions for Tesla are starting to go up now. I think we did the great thing with buying at 408 and 409, 410, or 410. Are you kidding? Is NIO... The day that I go bullish on NIO, it got... You guys saw the video, right? I said, hey guys, this is not going to crash. This is going to go up. Nah. No freaking way. We still did say it would come down, right? So we're still right about this one. It's going to probably come back up. I don't think it's going to crash. It's not going to crash. No freaking way. Are we going down on Tesla again? What the frick is happening? What? Did Elon Musk die or something? What is this? Why are we going down so much? It's a little bit ridiculous, I'm being honest with you, because we haven't seen such a negative move since, well, this. But this is even more negative than that, because this was slow. This is really fast. This last time we saw this was in September. September and the 1st of October. Was still going down. Wow. Insane. Absolutely insane. Just give me one sec. Hold on. $408.7, 408.9. Yeah. What do I say? I was wrong? I don't know. We could still be coming back up super fast. We're oversold. Last time we were oversold, we had a huge rally. Remember that? Right there, we had a huge rally. Right here, we had a huge rally. So this could definitely start rallying about 3 to 4 percentage points to the upside. Look at the bearish candle. There has not been any positivity. It's just selling after selling after selling. 410.8. Now we'll check the 5 minutes. It's going to be looking very obvious on the 5 minutes. Yeah, it's starting to bottom out now on the 5 minutes. It's looking like it wants to bottom at 410. But still looking oversold. See what will happen. Yeah, people finally realized that Biden is going to increase corporate taxes. Exactly. Like we said this like a couple days ago. Like, oh, Biden is president now. We should be crashing. And then the vaccine news came out. So, well, the vaccine news was very bullish. But still, you know, the corporate taxes are going to go up. That's a really bad thing for stocks. Yeah, markets are correcting from yesterday. That's true. I mean, that's what we're seeing right now. What else is this, you know? It's not like Tesla messed up or anything. It's just the stock market is going down today. Especially the Nasdaq. Like, the Nasdaq is going down huge. It's crazy. Crazy stuff happening. But we're oversold. I don't think we're going to stay in the oversold too long. We usually don't. We usually bounce back. We've seen this right there. We bounce at least to the 415, 420. Last time we bounced and we went up significantly. So we see the RSI there went up around $10. So I think we could go up $10 from here at least. It's 2 percentage points. Because how much are we down right now? I think it's like 2 to 3%, right? We're down 2.2%. We're going up now. It looks like we've found a bottom because we're sitting at 411.7 and it's climbing. Yeah, let's just go back to the 5 minutes or 30 minutes. 30 minutes suggesting that the bearishness is almost over. Guys, this means that this is about to bounce. If you want to get into Tesla, I think right now is the time. Because everybody's fearful, everybody's scared. They think Tesla's going to go bankrupt. They think Tesla's going to go to zero. Well, it's not going to happen. I mean, this is just some short-term negativity. It's already starting to go to 412.6. My stocks are going up significantly now, so that's also interesting to look. Cool. We'll see what happens. We're going to check. Okay, 413, starting to go up. We've bottomed pretty much. Guys, we're sitting at 5,999 subscribers. Alright, so to anybody who doesn't know who I am, my name is Gara. I am Lucid Trading. I try to analyze your favorite stocks and give you the best guidance and advice for the future. And right now we're almost at 6,000 subscribers. We just need one more subscriber. So make sure you hit the subscribe button. You'll be notified whenever I upload a video and whenever I go live. So that might be handy. So make sure you subscribe, and then we'll hit 6,000 subscribers right now, which is we just hit 6,000 subscribers. Damn. Didn't take much. Tesla's going up to 414. It's coming back down now, though. Let me check. Wow, 6,000 subscribers. Wow. Dang it. That went fast. It took us like 4 days, I believe. 5 days. From 5K to 6K. That's impressive. Thank you so much, everybody. I really appreciate you guys. And guess 7,000 is the next goal. So we'll get there. I'm grateful. This is breathtaking, honestly. It's going so rapid. So dang it. I'm gonna just share this to a couple friends of mine. They would really appreciate it. Hold on. I'm gonna brag. I got 6,000 subscribers. How many do you got? I got 6 subscribers. Yeah. No, I'm kidding. So okay, we're sitting at 412. It looks like we're still zigzagging around. It's because of people are uncertain. Should I buy? Should I sell? Should I buy? Should I sell? If the markets start consolidating, if the stock market starts consolidating, so staying at the same level, then Tesla's going to go up significantly. This will go up until like 415, 418, maybe 420, until we see another little bit of a correction. So, hold on. Yeah, we're starting to go down again. This is so terrible. Why are we going down again? This is a great buying opportunity. Tesla's cheap. It's really cheap. 411.8. There we go. $410. Oh no. Oh no, my Tesla shares. So sad. So sad. Come on. 410. We're about to go down to the 409. Wow, we're even going. This is interesting. We're gonna stay at oversold. Wow, that's when did we see this? Did we see this before? I don't think so. I don't think we have seen a prolonged period at the oversold since here. See this one? Looks very similar to what we saw right there, right? What happened here? Well, we rallied, I think $10 to the upside, and then we went sideways. So we're looking at a $10 upside move until 420. It's very similar. Like you can see it. It's very obvious as well. Where was the move? It was right here, right? So look at this. This is where we are right now, and this move that we had back in a couple days ago, 6th November, and we see a downturn. Gradually, we recover, and we see that what's really nice is if you can see it right here, the RSI. It dips down to oversold, comes back up, and dips down again. Same thing we see right here. Dips down to oversold, comes back up, goes to oversold again. So this could potentially be something that we'll be looking at, a potential rally of about $10, $15, something like that, depending on the market condition. If markets are bullish, then this will be a great rally. So we'll see what happens. So far, not making a lot of sense right now. A little bit irrational. We do see a great support at the 406.4. Very great support. But if we breach that, then we're coming back to the 411. See if people followed me on Instagram. I think some people did, right? No, never mind. Cool. 411. Still no movement. It's just staying at that level. It's going sideways. It's consolidating at the 410. That's what I'm seeing right now. So annoying. I hate it when it does that. It's like you're not winning when you're shorting. You're not winning when you're bullish. It's just staying sideways. Nobody's winning. Only Theta Gang. They're winning. Dang it, man. Would be funny if this drops further to the 402. That would like blow my mind away, honestly. If this drops to 402, this is going to blow my mind away. It's about to blow my mind away, isn't it? 409.5. It's about to make my mind explode. We're having a prolonged period of negativity at the oversold. After having a prolonged negative period in the oversold. After having a prolonged negative period. This is so... I don't know what to say. It's going down to 409. Usually we don't go down for a very long time. Tesla goes down fast, but then it comes back up as fast as it went down, usually. Still not done correcting. What is happening? I don't think I don't think we're gonna see 400 or lower. Well, look at that bearish volume. It's like it just keeps coming. There's no stopping it. There is no stopping it. I think the reason for this is because of the S&P 500 inclusion announcement coming up very soon. Because basically, if I was an institution, what I would do, I would manipulate the news in such a way where people would sell the stock, right? Like send out bad signals, bad news, etc. I would sell my own stock, drop the price down to a certain level, and then once the news comes out, S&P 500 potential inclusion, buy back in at a lower price, and then just enjoy the ride to the upside. right? If I was an institutional bank, I would probably try to do that. It's very corrupt, but people are corrupt, so generally speaking. And usually the institutional banks also own the media because they invest into media companies, so they can basically influence them. Like, hey, media company, could you send out some wink wink negative articles about Tesla? Which they do all the time. They've done this. I remember 2018, I think it was. Was it 2019? I think it was 2018. The bearish articles on Tesla were crazy. Like every day, 10 articles saying that Tesla would go bankrupt. And that was just basically the banks manipulating the stock price through the media. But yeah, some people think this is conspiracy, but this is actually how it works. They have power and they use that power. Why wouldn't they? They pretty much own the stock market. Like, they own the media, they own the stock market, they own the companies. It's just one big casino where they are the bosses, right? But if you're really good at blackjack, you can still make money. If you're really good at trading, you can still make money. If Tesla breaks its support, can we look? No, I don't think so. I don't think it's gonna break the support. I might be wrong, but I don't think so. It's going to 408.6. What is the stock market doing? Let me check. It's not even going down that much. It's just Tesla going down. I don't know why everybody's panicking. I would panic if the markets were going down like 4%, which is not happening, so. Nothing really bad happening so far. Yeah, it's the Nasdaq is going down 1.5%, so that's the reason for this downturn. Mostly because it's listed on the Nasdaq. People are selling out of the Nasdaq really, really quickly. Let's just see. Oh, AMD's crashing? Let me briefly check AMD. Oh yeah, they're crashing all right. We did say we would crash, but not that low, right? Dang it. What the hell is happening? 5%. Is this because of Apple? Is Apple going down as well? Yeah, right. So Apple's also... Well, it went down massively, but then it recovered. What is happening with AMD? Yeah, this is irregular movement. Some news came out either about AMD or about microchip devices. Let me think. Oh yeah, of course. Well, if there's a vaccine, people are gonna use computers less. People are gonna be outside more. They're gonna buy less computers. They're gonna buy less laptops, which is bad for AMD. So we're basically pricing in a future without COVID. I think that's what's happening, because you cannot explain this in the MACD just because of, oh yeah, the technicals are showing that the technicals were showing to us we're going to bottom and pump to the upside. But because of the fundamentals sort of collapsing due to the fact that, hey, maybe revenue is going to be lower in the future because of people being outside more often, not buying laptops, and instead of that going to classes again without using Zoom or without. So this is, yeah, the 4 hours is looking very negative. So I think we'll have to move this right around there. considering the fundamentals, it should be very different to reality than what we saw. But it's not negative in terms of like the long term. It's still positive. It's just a short term sell off. Somebody just said you're fired. I don't know why though, but it's whatever. It's kind of funny. I don't think that this is going to be a big problem. I think this is just another buying opportunity. Generally speaking, the stocks that I cover, if they go down, they generally speaking recover faster and better than they went down. Tesla's coming to the 412 again, as you can see. Starting to recover a little bit. There we go. Stonks going up again. 4 hours is still looking negative. Something like that. Still going to bounce off of this edge. But in the time span of days, this isn't going to matter that much. Like we said, the daily is looking very bullish. So I would not even worry about this. If you're holding for the next weeks, the next months, you'll be fine. These are just buying moments. There we go. Looks kind of funny. Bad news on Nvidia. What? Look how volatile everything is today. So insane. Oh wow. I expected negativity. I just didn't expect this, right? So another thing, what I said is the technicals were showing us, hey, we're gonna go down to 550 and then we bounce. However, I guess today there was some news coming out, very negative news. And then we go all the way down, which changes our whole thesis. This could bounce a bit and then come back down again and then bounce from there. But so far, I think this is not going to do anything aside from... I think Nvidia is a great buy right now as it's going down. What is Beyond Meat doing? I bought some Beyond Meat at $107. Yeah, it's also coming down. Obviously, they had earnings, was pretty bad. I bought Beyond Meat at $107 and I sold it at $123. That was really nice. Checking the chat. Whoa, Tesla under 409. Oh, that's US oil. Tesla coming. Yeah, the bearishness is still not over. Jeez. This is odd. This doesn't usually happen, guys. This is really odd for Tesla. We haven't seen this since like 23rd of October, I guess. This little bearish move. So yeah. It's also very similar to that move, right? We went up just like that. So I think if we move this, yeah, this is very similar. I think we'll bounce as much as we bounced right there, which was about, I think, approximately $15 to the upside. So looking at the 424, 425 at the end of the day, or I would say not at the end of the, possibly I would say, yeah, at the end of the day we could reach 420, and at the beginning of tomorrow we might see 425 to 430 happening again if this correction is short term. All right, let me check the live chat real quick. What are people saying? I'm going to draw what I think is going to happen, right? I'm going to draw what I think is going to happen based off the current state of things. Make sure you hit the thumbs up for this one, because it's going to be a bit difficult. We're still bearish, so I think what's going to happen is we will bottom, just like that, and we start pushing upwards to the 420s, 425. We start seeing some sideways movement, and I would say that we would maybe even go down again to 415, bounce from that level, and then we start going up to this edge, come back down, and keep going up. So based off of what is happening right now, this is my forecast. Something like this. Go back to 425, and if it's really bullish, 430. Come back down, correct to 415 again, and then really go upwards back to where we were. Based off of the current data, right? I wouldn't be worrying right now. This is just a buying opportunity. We're at the 409. This is just a buying opportunity, honestly. And I would see the RSI go up just like that, and then come back down, go up again. This is going to look fine. Same for the MACD. MACD is going to go down just like that. All right, so targets would be around 420 to 425. Maybe bottom at the 415 after that if the market is a little bit neutral. Head over to the 430s, to the 435, and then to the 450. Come back down all the way to the 440, 437. Bounce off and go to the 460. What is happening to NEO? Is NEO crashing? Yeah, NEO's fine. Should be able to get back up very soon. Pick the pace up and go to the $50. NEO's bullish, right? So, ride. Oh, speaking about ride, I think I want to get some. 16.9, you're kidding. I'm going to get some ride. There we go. Ride. I got some ride at, what is the price? I've got a tiny amount of ride. About $80. Maybe I should get more. Nah, I don't want to get more. This is fine. Anyways, guys, I'm going to have to start recording, so I'm about to leave you guys. I hope you enjoyed the stream, and if you did, guys, make sure you hit the thumbs up. Thank you so much for subscribing. We hit 6,000 subscribers today. That was awesome. I'm going to be recording all the videos that I usually record right now, so I hope you enjoyed it. And if you follow me on social media, that would be awesome. I have an Instagram account, a TikTok account, and a Twitter account. Links are in the description. You can join the Discord server by clicking on the link for the Discord. It's also in the description, along with the Patreon where you can get one-on-one counseling with me and early access and buy and sell signals, along with other benefits at the Patreon link in the description as well. Guys, I hope you have a very nice day. I'll be going live again 1 hour before market close. So if you're subscribed, you'll be notified. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. All right. Lucid Trading out. I will see you very soon.